Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photopea tutorial how to add another image. So for example, I will open image, you can click open from computer and I will insert this image. Now if you want to add another image, you can go to file menu, click on open and place. After it, I will use this image, click open. So it will be automatic attached, but behind the previous image. You can go to layer, click in here, layer, and then you can move to the top. Now you can see the image will be automatically show in the front of another image. So if you want to add again another image, you can click file menu, go to open and place. I will open this image, click open, and it will be appear into your layer. Okay, that's it for basic Photopea tutorial, how to add another image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.